Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share conventional versus convection oven, convection versus true convection, conventional oven advantages, convection oven advantages, and converting from conventional to convection baking. For decades, most consumers used a conventional electric or gas oven. It had two adjustable racks, a lower baking element, and an upper broiling element. High-end ovens offered convection baking. Lower-cost consumer convection ovens entered the market a few decades ago. Today, most appliance brands offer at least one convection oven. The main differences between conventional and convection is some convection ovens offering a third rack and the addition of a convection fan and element. There are two types of convection ovens, convection and true convection, also known as European convection. The U.S. has no legal definitions for convection, true convection, and European convection, so the terms are used interchangeably. In most cases, a convection oven is a conventional oven with a fan to circulate air. Most countertop ovens use this type of convection. True convection usually means the oven has a third heating element around the fan. This is also known as European convection. Depending on the model, in convection mode, either the convection fan and element are used, or the fan and all three elements are used. The result should be more even baking and browning. Conventional ovens usually cost significantly less than convection. This will save you money if you rarely use your oven. Conventional ovens excel at broiling foods, baking roasts, poultry, casseroles, loaf breads, buns, rolls, and biscuits, and making pizzas and pies. Its weaknesses are baking cakes, cookies, muffins, and pastries. For uniform browning, manufacturers recommend using one rack in the middle position. This means baking one sheet of cookies or two cake layers at a time. To bake two sheets of cookies or multiple cakes or muffins, recipes recommend rotating baking sheets front to back and top to bottom. Convection ovens have the advantages of a conventional oven, plus are better at baking cakes, cookies, muffins, and pastries. Ovens with 3 racks reduces baking time. Usually, there's no need to rotate baking sheets front to back and top to bottom. Some convection ovens convert recipe times and temperature for convection baking. For most recipes, the temperature is reduced 25 degrees Fahrenheit and the bake time is unchanged. For a recipe that requires 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, becomes 20 minutes at 375 degrees. The alternative is using the same temperature and reducing the baking time by 25%. Instead of 20 minutes at 400 degrees, it becomes 15 minutes at 400 degrees. I find reducing the temperature by 25 degrees easier than reducing the bake time by 25%. If you need to replace your oven and do a lot of baking, consider a true convection oven. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching.